Lola, don't have a face. Lola, show your face.
Where you from?
I'm from South Africa, Cape Town. Show your face.
Okay.
Show your face.
I'm scared because I'm ugly.
You're not ugly. No one's ugly.
No one's ugly.
No one's ugly. Now just show your face.
You see?
Smash. Do you have Snapchat?
Did you just say smash?
Now my boyfriend says Smash. But do you have Snapchat?
Nah, bruh.
I got Instagram.
Nah, type that shit in, my nigga.
Okay, my nigga.
I type it in.
No, that was him.
I know. No. What the hell?
How is it down there?
What's the best life ever? You can't go wrong
Have
with
you
that.
ever been to America?
Yes, I was there.
Have you ever been?
I was there.
When?
I was there for a competition, but I see I won first place competition.
In America?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Karate, but I'm fighter.
Okay.
Yeah, gold medals and everything, bro. So I can really protect you. You
You
feel me?
can?
Alright. Did you type your Instagram in?
You said I.
Alright. Say your Instagram, man. I'll give you a follow.
Lola. Well, Instagram?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm saying my Instagram. I got you.
Alright.
Instagram.
Alright. See, I know you guys American slang. Alright, and yo, and what's good?
Yeah, he said American. Hi.
Alright.
You already said it's
Yo.
American.
Get the Instagram.
Yo.
I see you have a friend.
Type shit. Type shit.
You have two-man thing, a two-man thing, a two-man thing, a two-man thing. Me and my homie, two-man.
2 men. I'm dead. He said me, my homie, 2 men. He's alright. Now we gonna say.
Type your friend's Instagram was in, bruh.
He definitely been here before. Huh?
Type shit.
You said type shit.
Type your friend's
Sorry,
Instagram.
he said type.
Nah, yo. Type your friend's Instagram was in.
I sent it.
Alright.
You said my friend.
Yeah, your friend's Instagram for my friend over here. Two-man. For me and him.
She don't have Instagram.
What did she got? She got the number. You can type a number.
Yeah.
She can give a number. Don't mind.
She said she's married.
Alright, she can get divorced for my man over here, my nigga. She's white.
Yeah.
He's rich, everything, bro.
My man over here.
But alright, I don't see you. I'm gonna message you on Instagram, alright?
Okay.
Alright. Bye.
Alright.
Peace.
Have a good day.
You too.
Peace.
Love you.
Peace, my nigga.
Peace, my nigga. Peace. Peace. Nah, peace.